Hi, my name is Marcella and welcome to my van life cooking show, where I commit to prove to you that healthy plant-based cooking is not only easy, yummy and creative, but also can be done at the back of the van. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chickpea and sweet corn vegan burgers with a side of spicy chips and vegan coleslaw. And if you'd like my recipe for vegan coleslaw, click here. So I'm gonna make two versions of those burgers. One is gonna be healthier, or that's gonna be baked in the oven, and the other one, which is gonna be for Alex, is gonna be fried and made with fried vegan egg.
To make this recipe you will need 1 can of chickpeas, half a can of sweet corn, about 1/3 of a jar of pickled peppers, or you can use about 6 to 8 sun-dried tomatoes instead, a few slices of firm tofu, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, a small bunch of coriander, half a lemon, 1 fresh chilli, half a red onion, 1 medium carrot, 1 tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, black pepper, smoked paprika, turmeric, ground mace, black Himalayan salt, kala namak, some normal salt, hummus, this is optional, cayenne pepper, dried garlic, lettuce, 1 onion, few slices of courgette for garnish, vegetable oil, and apple cider vinegar. I chop potatoes and I season them with some cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, dried garlic and salt to taste. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I mix it all together and make sure that they are coated evenly. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and pop them in for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden and crispy.
I'm starting by finely slicing the onion, and I'm gonna pickle it.
I'm using pickled onion only for garnish. Make sure to cover it with vinegar and rest for at least 10 minutes. I'm mincing 3 cloves of garlic and adding it to the chickpeas. Like I mentioned in my coleslaw video, make sure to crush or chop the cloves, then let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes while you prepare other ingredients. This will give the anti-cancer compounds a chance to form. I take all the burger mix ingredients that you will find listed in the description below. I'll put them in a blender and I blend them until smooth. I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, but you might need to add some more, depending on how moist your mix will turn out to be.
So now you're gonna wrap it in a cling film and put it in the fridge for about half an hour.
Fry them in a hot oil until golden crispy, or if you're going for a healthier option, bake them at 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes. I'm frying finely sliced tofu until the texture resembles fried egg, and I'll sprinkle some kala namak salt over it for an eggy flavour. I'm serving the burger with my vegan mayo and coleslaw, and if you want to know how to make them, you'll find the links to the videos in the description below. This is the naughty fried version. If you opt for something healthier, bake your burger, don't fry your tofu, and use hummus instead of mayo.
So this is it, guys, our chickpea and sweet corn burger. Let me know in the comments below whether you'd go for the fried option or the more healthy baked one. This is the healthier baked version. Also, Alex has been recording behind the scenes Instagram TV video, and the link's gonna be in the description below, along with all the ingredients and step-by-step method how we made this. See you at the next one.